One of the most common questions I get is, what pairs should I actually be trading? And the answer matters more than people think, because the wrong pair on the wrong account can wreck your strategy before you've even started. In this video, I'll walk you through the pairs I trade and why, focusing on USD pairs and gold. Plus a quick word on PU Prime's World Cup content later, and one of their features that genuinely makes a difference if you trade these pairs. So let's get into it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So quick thing before we dive into the charts. I'm using the PU Prime web trader. It runs straight in the browser. There's no downloads, it's just clean charts, fast execution, right? Everything we're going to look at today is on there. So let's get into it. The pair you trade dictates everything, right? Volatility, spread, news sensitivity, how it behaves in different sessions. A scalping strategy that prints money on Euro USD might bleed you dry on GBP JPY because of the wider ranges and bigger spreads. The same strategy, different pair, completely different outcome. So before you even think about strategy, you need to think about which pairs match the way you want to trade. Now, I trade the USD pairs, and that is for three reasons. One, they have the tightest spreads of anything in Forex. The USD is in roughly 88% of all currency trades globally. So the liquidity is massive. Tight spreads means more of your potential profit stays in your pocket. Two, they're the cleanest technically. The price action respects levels. Structure plays out properly. The textbook setups actually work. That's because of the same liquidity. There's no thin market causing weird spikes. And three, the news flow is predictable, right? You know when the big USD news drops, you know what to avoid. You can plan around it. With more obscure pairs, you get blindsided by stuff you didn't even know was happening. Gold is the other one I trade heavily. It's not a Forex pair technically, but it trades against the dollar, so it fits. Gold's beautiful because the moves are big, daily ranges that put most Forex pairs to shame. If you can read structure properly, gold gives you meaningful pips on every clean setup. It's also a really clear sentiment instrument, so when risk is off, geopolitical tension, market panic, gold flies. When risk is on, gold sells off. So if you've got a feel for the broader market mood, gold rewards, that read. The one caveat is that it can be choppy in low volume sessions. So stick to London and, the New York overlap for the cleanest gold trades. Quick mention of what's not on my list. Exotic pairs, right? Anything with a Turkish lira, the South African rand, Mexican peso. They're too wide on spread. They're too thin on liquidity. So you get wild spikes, slippage, news, right? You've never heard of suddenly moving the market. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, I've emphasize the importance of sessions, right? And the fact that I like to see a session break to really give you that direction. Now, what I was saying about gold is the market structure is beautiful. And we've obviously spoken about fair value gaps and everything like that. So when you put it all together, right, you can actually see how perfect these moves can actually be. Now, what you have here, this is a nice fair value gap. And this is what obviously broke the Asia low, right? So this is on the 15-minute. Everything I've shown you before is actually on the 1 hour. So when you combine certain different views on how to trade the market, obviously you've got the fair value gap that broke the low. You have the market structure, which is currently bearish. So in terms of entries and what you're looking for, there's a really nice order block here for you to take a sell from. And this is the kind of thing that we look for. And obviously, as I was talking about spreads and everything on gold, you can get a really clean entry with minimal commissions and spreads to pay. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on
of guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management, because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial, so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, a quick mention, PU Prime are running their World Cup themed content right now, and I've done a full video breaking it all down. The link is in the description, so go check that out after this. There's some seriously cool stuff happening for traders who like a bit of competition. It's well worth a look. And this brings me to why I trade these specific pairs on PU Prime. Spreads matter, right? If you're trading USD pairs, you want the tightest spreads you can get, because every pip of spread is a pip of profit gone. PU Prime have raw spreads on their main account types, proper interbank level pricing. Your USD typically, is sub 1 pip during liquid hours. GBP USD is similar. That adds up massively over a month of trading. And for gold specifically, they've got a really small commission structure on gold. Most brokers either charge you wide spreads on gold or hammer you on commission. PU Prime setup is genuinely competitive, right? It's small commission, tight spreads, fast execution. If gold and USD pairs are your bread and butter, like they are for me, the broker's pricing structure is probably the single biggest factor in your long-term P&L. PU Prime nails it on that stuff. Quick recap. Stick to USD pairs for the tight spreads, clean structure and a predictable news flow. Add gold for the big moves and the macro sentiment angle. Stay away from exotics. They cost you more than they make you. If you trade these pairs, the broker you're on matters more than you might think. So tight spreads and small commission on gold, those numbers stack up fast. Smash the like, drop a comment with the pair you trade most, and I will see you in the next one.